In a lush, green valley, there lived a tall stalk called Stilt. Stilt was unlike any other plant in the valley, for he was much taller than his peers. His height gave him a unique perspective of the world, as he towered above the others. One day, a storm swept through the valley, bringing heavy rain and strong winds with it. As the storm approached, Stilt stood tall and proud, thinking himself too strong to be swayed. But the storm was relentless, and soon Stilt began to bend and sway, his long, thin stalk creaking with the strain. The other plants in the valley watched in concern as Stilt struggled to stand. They were shorter than he was, but they had learned to bend with the wind, to sway and dance as the storm passed. Stilt, however, was too proud to do so. As the storm raged on, Stilt's stalk snapped, sending him crashing to the ground. The other plants watched in horror as their tall friend was broken. The storm passed, but Stilt lay lifeless in the mud. When the storm was over, the valley was quiet. The other plants stood still, each one a reminder of the strength that comes from flexibility. They remembered Stilt and the lesson he had taught them. The moral of the story is this: pride can break even the tallest of us. It is better to bend and sway with the wind, to find strength and flexibility, than to stand tall and proud and break under the weight of our own arrogance. In all things, humility is the key to survival.